Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Daily GEX Bible. How you all doing? I'm Maya. It's Friday, May 8th, 9:40 a.m. ET. Here with GraveX for the SPX Opening Bell Structural Read. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. Standard disclaimer. This is a structural read of SPX GEX data. Education only, not financial advice.
Right. Not your advisor. No recommendations, your own risk. Maya, take it away.
GraveX. Where do we start with today's market structure?
If you look at the levels panel on the right of the dashboard, the headline numbers are right there. Net GEX is plausiver 379, regime is positive. Spot is a 4,372, above the flip at 7,355.
So, what's the through line?
Means dealers are damping moves, and the walls have teeth. That's the through line for the whole session.
Levels panel. Start at the top and walk us down.
On the levels panel, look up first. A call wall stack at 73.75 and 73.90. Those are the strikes labeled with the red call wall markers. Now scroll your eye down past the ATM line at 73.72. You can see a put wall stack at 73.55 and 73.30 on the panel. Those are the blue put wall markers.
So, the box is 7355 to 7375?
That's the range. First touch tells us if the SPX structure holds or breaks.
What's the binary that resolves the day?
Price reaching 73.75. In strong positive gamma, the call wall fades, unless GEX expands meaningfully through that strike, which would tell me the structure is breaking.
Walk me through bear and bull.
Bear scenario. If spot breaks below 73.55 with GEX contracting, the framework predicts acceleration towards 73.45. That put wall is the next structural target. Bull scenario. If spot pushes above 73.75 with GEX expanding, the framework predicts continuation towards 73.85. The call wall flips from resistance to magnet.
Worth saying, those are structural predictions, not trade calls. GraveX isn't telling you to do anything.
Yep, your read, your risk.
That wraps the morning read. End of day recap is up after 4. Last word, GraveX?
Trade your own risk. Dealers don't get to take a view. That's the edge. See you after the close.
Subscribe if today's structural read was useful. That's it from us. Goodbye for now. Catch you at the close.
And to close out, a thought. Above the flip, the tape is patient. Below it, the tape is hungry. The line between the two is just a number on the strike grid. Today's structural read is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.